Re-roofing is a big decision. The cost of waiting too long will cause more harm than good, so it's important to know the signs to look for that indicate it may be time to re-roof your home. Missing or loose roofing material, curling of asphalt edges and brittleness, sagging roof, exposed or loose nail heads, missing or damaged flashing, curbs, or roof jacks, large amounts of asphalt granules in your gutters, water leakage or damage in your attic. Your heating or cooling costs have gone up. If your roof exhibits any of these signs, you should consider replacing your roof. Let the Metal Roofing Alliance guide you through the re-roofing process. MRA is a non-profit organization focused on assisting homeowners through education and awareness.